Hey guys, it's your girl 4-Wheel Fitness, and I'm here with a continuation of the back strut that we learned. So remember, we did our front strut, we even learned our front strut kicks, and then we got into the back strut. Well, now we're gonna add kicks to the side when we're coming back and putting that foot in the back. So what that looks like is we're gonna get in, back, 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 back. So you're going to want to have mastered your back struts. So just starting by putting your feet or one foot behind the other, then you can get into adding that kick to give it some flavor. And I'll show you again from the back. So you have to control, because you don't want to slide or glide back too much. You want to be leading that movement. So when you're going back and kicking to the side, and then you can come up, kick up, back. It takes some practice, guys, to get comfortable kicking out and then stepping back, but you will love it once you master it. It's such a cool looking move that you can come back into, and you don't have to kick either. You can just do the back strut, or if you want to go for it, when you're ready with that back strut, kick out, kick, kick, kick. Woo, you can see it is definitely a challenge kicking back, but just get in that back strut and then kick out. Make sure you're standing up straight, guys. Chest out. And there you go. Back strut kicks. Have fun, guys.